Hi and welcome to Cebuana News. Cebu Landmasters Incorporated unveiled its 4 billion pesos skyscraper in the Cebu city that is set to open in 2025 and would become the home of Sofitel on the island. Masters Tower Cebu will house office, retail space, and the 5-star luxury hotel Sofitel Cebu City, the developer said in a disclosure to the stock exchange. CLI said it built the project in anticipation of the robust economic recovery in the next few years. We want to build this project for Cebu, to show our positive outlook for this growth city, CLI CEO Jose Soberano III. We are optimistic that the hospitality industry will bounce back, particularly in the Visayas and Mindanao. There is high potential for more international hotel players and tourism demands for quality hospitality experiences, he added. The property is located on a 2,840 square meter area in the Cebu Business Park, the company said. Cebu Landmasters said it would be among the top 3 tallest structures in the metropolis, which would top off at 192 meters above sea level. The 14th to 32nd floors will house Sofitel with 195 guest rooms, a grand ballroom, 2 restaurants, executive lounge, meeting rooms, roof deck, swimming pool, gym and spa, CLI said. The company said it is aiming for LEED Gold certification. OM collaborated with local designers, consultants, and cultural specialists to create a contemporary design that draws on Cebu's rich heritage. The tower's exterior evokes the city's tradition of wood craftsmanship. Overlapping bands of slatted sun screens surround the exterior and pinch inward to reveal repeating levels of green space at each of the building's 4 corners. These lush terraces rise the entire height of the building, providing a connection to nature from the interior spaces while supplying the hotel's restaurants with a fresh food source. Distinctive design elements within the hotel and office spaces add a tactility and showcase local artistry. The hotel's drop-off and office lobby contain 3-dimensional, woven feature walls that are composed of locally sourced wood and designed by Cebuano craftspeople. Interior architecture firm Aston Design blends traditional Cebuano and French aesthetics in their design of the hotel interiors. The Sofitel extends to the roof with a bar, restaurant, garden, and pool. The very top of the tower, which features programmable LED lighting, is conceived as a crown for Cebu, known as the Queen City of the South. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more updates.